Hello everybody. I'm back again with a short video. I wanted to share with you my string of hearts, how it's doing. It has grown and look, it's almost reaching the floor. Oh boy. And guess what? It's making flowers. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Little tiny flowers. I never seen those flowers. And they're so adorable. They're so cute. It's growing 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness. Aren't they so cute, guys? Look at this. It's a cute flower. My string of hearts is making flowers. Pretty, pretty. It looks like a little balloon. Well, so far, I have luck with this little plant. It has 4 strings. There's three here and 1 extra up here, which is the shortest, and the longest is this one. I'm surprised with the little blooms here, which I'm like, before yesterday, I think I gave it some water, and I am so shocked and I'm so excited at the same time. It is so beautiful. Look how pretty it is. And so far, it's an easy plant, guys. I think I'm gonna get the other string of hearts, the green one. This is the variegated one. I think it's because it has some pinkish at the edges and white and green. So I'm going to try to get the green color one. I will try. And I just wanted to share with you my little string of hearts. It's still in the original pot. I have it in front of the window. It does take maybe 30 minutes of sun. Oh my goodness, I'm so surprised because I went away on vacation and I come back and I see this today. That's like 3 days after I came back. It is so exciting to see something surviving because my string of pearls, they did not survive. I don't know what to do. I tried for my second time, but I'm not giving up. But I do have a hard time. It's the second time they died on me. Yeah. So it's not hard to grow this string of hearts. So far, when it's dry, I just watered it and I just put it in front of this window, which sun does come in for probably 1 hour, but on this corner, no. Mostly that side, there's a lot of sun, but it comes over here a little bit. Mostly that side, it's more than an hour. So it has been taking some sunshine and I've been just watering it when it's dry. This so far so good. It has been doing a great job. Oh, I counted wrong. It has 3 and 3 6 strings. There's 3 here and then I have 3 smalls there. Oh dear, counting wrong. Yes, so far for me, this plant is very easy to grow and I can't wait to go get the green color. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos and hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.